welcome to the channel. The weather has dramatically changed to this side of the equator. It's getting a bit colder as the days progress. So I'm harvesting the last of the paprika peppers. Although they are not red all the way through, but I'm not gonna keep them outside any longer. These ones I'm just gonna use as normal peppers for cooking. I won't add them to the pile that is already drying for me to make my spice later on. As the weather gets colder, these cherry tomato plants won't survive the frost that might come through in the middle of winter. So I've had to harvest whatever I can get at this moment. Yeah, this will probably be our last taste of these cherry tomatoes. Now that our little harvest is done, it's time to plant some purple cabbage seedlings. But when I bought these seedlings, I noticed that they had aphids on them. Aphids can be quite annoying. I had to find a way to get rid of them before I can put my plants on the ground. So I carefully inspected every leaf on the whole plant. As you can see here, there were some of the aphids just chilling there. So whatever eggs that I could find, I just squashed them with a Q-tip and continued to just inspect everything. When I was finished inspecting all of the leaves, then I made a quick solution using some baking soda, some water and a little bit of neem oil. And then I just dunked the whole tray of seedlings into the solution, and then I just let the mixture do its work. It's been some time now. All of the bugs and the aphids that were in these seedlings are all gone, and the seedlings are now ready to be planted. I give the seedlings a little squish just to loosen up the roots. What I also did was to plant some nasturtiums next to the purple cabbage. The nasturtiums will act as an insect repellent that will help to protect these cabbages from future aphid infestations. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and updates. And there we have it. My garden is now prepared for autumn with these lovely new additions. I can't wait to see how these purple cabbages grow together with their companion plants. Thank you so much for watching.